Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Nah, I'm working on the Godfather Lincoln again.
Nice. What do you got to do to it now?
Oh, the filler neck is not lining up with the gas door. Look, it's like all the way over there.
Yeah, just slightly. What do you got to do? Take the fender off to put gas in it? That's not normal. What do you got to do?
No, this filler neck has to come this way. Has to, obviously.
You got to put a bend in it?
I'm going to put a bend in it, but it's a lot easier than I thought. There's a rubber hose that this is going into with a clamp. So I'll just take that clamp out and probably add an elbow, and then that'll bring it, so it comes over
Yeah,
here.
because if you look for the original part, I can promise you ain't ever going to find it, especially the way things are today.
Yeah.
I know, because I need a Q-tip. I got to go to the outer ends of the universe to go get it. Everything's a big deal today.
You're telling me, and especially...
Technology's supposed to make things easier.
Yeah.
I don't know when that's going to start kicking in.
You ain't
But anyway, all right, so yeah, do that. Modify. If you do it really good, you're not going to see any welds. You won't see any seams.
No.
It'll look like a factory original part. All right, so go ahead. Get started.
All right, you got it.
Twist. There you go. There you go. What do we got here? All right, so now, how are you going to bend it?
I'm going to take this off, this rubber hose.
There was no clamp on the inside?
No.
There was a hose inside another hose? You f***ing serious? What the f*** did they do to this thing? Anyway, okay. So we're going to have to... You have any elbows?
That's really sad when you really think about it. Here.
Isn't everything sad? Isn't everything sad? All right, anyway, let's go.
Now.
Looks like Godzilla chewed on it. We got to cut the hose. All right, you have an elbow to go in here?
Yeah, I got this.
All right, so this is going to go in the middle. You got to cut the right angle.
Draw a perfect line around the pipe. I usually put a radiator clamp on it, draw my perfectly even line, and then I cut it. And there's your line. See?
I fucking knew you were doing that. I ain't done. Let's do what we gotta do. Then we'll go try it on. Alright, let's go try it out. Let's see if the angle's good. Right now, if you put it on butt, it's like this. So you gotta take a little piece off the back of the elbow, and we are all set. Here, cut this off.
Yeah, let's grind those eggs.
What I need you to do now. Don't touch the line that I put. I want you to grind here and here. Okay? Take this out, grind these two areas. We're going to tack weld everything, and we're going to try it again before we weld it on permanent. So you understand? This way we'll tack weld and we'll just try.
Right.
And see if it works out. Just quickly. Alright. Sorry. Come on. Let's go.
You got it.
Good to me.
Now we're gonna let it dry.
All right, Giuseppe, how you making out? Yo, did you see my glasses? I can't find them anywhere.
Glasses? Probably left them on the bench.
You busted my chops.
No, I'm not done.
Come on, how you looking over here?
Easy for me to say. I'm telling you, you probably left them on the bench.
You looking good?
Check it out.
Is it close?
Yes.
Oh man, look how nice that, right in the middle. All right, here we go. See? Now you can put gas in. Before it was all the way underneath. Very nice. Looks good. Well, guess what, bro? There's only one thing left to say.
What's that?
You know what that is?
What?
There's my glasses! Who put my glasses up here? You put them. You put my glasses up there?
No.
You hit them on him, didn't you? Did you hide them on him?
Look, he's laughing. He's like,
Him hide it. You hit him on him, didn't you? Did you hide him on him? Did you hide it on him? Who did it? You did it.
He did.
Taking over the world!